Hi everyone, welcome to Mifratech eLearning. This project name is Intelligent Headlight Control System. There are two vehicles in this, so we have to control the brightness of each vehicle so that they can avoid from the accident. So each vehicle has Arduino Nano, LDR sensor module and LEDs, power junction and free wheels and chassis. This part of vehicle also same components mounted. You can see LDR sensor and LEDs, Arduino Nano and power junction and on off switch. So both vehicles are facing each other, so we have to control the brightness of this and making a low beam. So we'll see the working of this. I'll switch on this vehicle and I will switch on this vehicle also. So vehicle is moving. Now it is high beam. Now once detected light, so it is made a low beam now. So this is high beam. Once I go back from the other direction, it will make a same light intensity. So other set of vehicle also been controlling same thing. So it's already detected lights. Are we controlling a light? You can see it is a low beam, very low, less intensity, and this is a dark intensity. You can able to see in this. Now both are in the low beam. So both the vehicles are facing each other. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Mifratech eLearning. Thanks a lot.